Analysis. This is Peter Drury, and next to me providing insights will be Jim Beglin.
Hello Peter, and hello to everyone watching. For me, it's a real thrill to be here.
The instantly recognisable sound of the UEFA Champions League anthem, the perfect backdrop to this eagerly awaited night of European football. A single point, that's all that's needed for progress here. Easy to say, but at this level, anything but to achieve. The whistle. So Jim, tell me this, who are you looking for in particular here?
Well, I would go for the supremely athletic Jordi Alba, yet another of the modern fullbacks that is blessed with great stamina and pace, which allow really effective late runs forward and help with his recovery and getting back.
Yeah, the scourge of so many strikers. Sergio Busquets tries a through ball. Here's the delivery. It's out for a goal kick. And it's Khedira. That's great strength on the ball. Determined running there, but one back by the defence. Messi. Now the pass. And now the finish! Chiellini pushes it out wide. Jordi Alba does well to read it and intercepts. Rakitic. Jordi Alba. Barcelona looking really energetic early on. It is a high press. He's going to have to tune his rangefinder before the next one. PK. And it's Dybala. A mixture of good defending and indecisive passing. No progress. Iniesta. Neymar, good run down the left. What can they make of it? Played into the middle. Firmly met. Now it's Luis Suarez. Oh, he's really drilled it. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. It's a long forward pass. And oh! Goal! Barcelona! Barcelona are in front. He was urged to shoot, and he duly delivered.
It's almost criminal to see a defence fail to identify someone who thrives when it comes to shooting stats. They knew, and yet they didn't heed, and they've paid the price and deserve to.
Big occasion, big goal, crucial lead.
Well, look, you've got to start your qualification process at some stage, Peter, and that goal is takeoff for them.
And it's Messi. All the way back, and they start again. Buffon gets it upfield, gets wrestled off the ball. Quadrado. Fired in from distance. Caught offside that time.
Well, it was the early through ball that almost caught everyone out in that instance, all but for our flag-waving assistant referee.
Mascherano. Goes on a run down the left wing. Jordi Alba passes it through. Decent ball. Yeah, he's offering an apology for that. He needed to deliver a better ball. Up for a header! And the ball's come out. Good, strong hand by the keeper. Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
The keeper has shown great concentration there. I think his anticipation pretty much did the trick for him.
In with a header! Good clearance now. Can they make something of it? Just a fraction high.
Oh, it was almost a beautifully placed shot. He's so unlucky not to see that go in.
Sergio Busquets. Oh, no, that's not the ball he wanted. And it's Khedira. Khedira plays it out to the flank. Quadrado crosses. Up to meet it! Oh, great save, real class.
Oh, he made that look really easy, Peter, but I can assure you that wasn't a routine save. He had to be very switched on there.
Ball's loose, who's getting there?
It's a busy front line, lots of movement.
And is that working for you?
Well, not really. To be honest, I'm not a great fan of taking goal potential away from the penalty box.
PK positions himself well and cuts it out. Rakitic with the foul. And the referee has shown him a yellow card. Jordi Alba. Looks like a good ball through. Cuadrado does well there, alert. Bonucci. A good deal hanging on what they can achieve here. A point will do. Sergio Busquets. Dybala. Looks to thread it through. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Referee's had a look, and he's blown his whistle for half-time. Some first-half thoughts?
Well, you can debate, Peter, whether they deserve a slightly bigger lead because they've created the majority of the chances, but they are in front for a reason, and they'll be confident of cementing that from now.
Barcelona go in at half-time with a slender one-goal lead. To the last 45 minutes in this game of substantial significance. Barcelona carry a one-goal lead into the second half. Iniesta looks to slip it through. Neymar's cross. They've done it! And with that goal comes comfort. Well, that always looked the likely outcome.
Well, considering he has a bit of a shoot-on-sight policy, he was the one player that should have been picked up then. It was both careless and costly from where I'm sitting.
Barcelona grab a couple of goals without reply. It's 2-0.
Well, at 1-0 this contest was still nicely poised, but now that it's gone to 2, mindsets are affected a lot more. Winning belief one way and that losing feeling the other.
Alexandro gets it back. Well, that's surely a foul. Free kick. Out to the left it goes. Daniel Alves pulls off an exemplary piece of defending. Nothing wrong with that tackle. Ball won cleanly. Messi goes long and forward. Is it in? Not this time.
Yeah, and it all came from very good trickery in the wider position, but quite a static defence. Was pretty fortunate to survive that little episode. It should have been much worse.
Managed to get it away. Aimed long and direct. Daniel Alves.
Well, we don't need to guess that they expect plenty of ball into the box.
Yeah, it's quite a crowd scene in the middle now.
Well, it's a situation that requires resilience now and plenty of fighting spirit. It has to be matched.
Kadira. And it's Dybala. Morata. Forward it goes. Thrust towards the front line. Can he put it away? They are rampant. Surely now, beyond all doubt. Finishing doesn't come simpler than that. Bang in front of goal.
Yeah, it looks simple, Peter, but it requires intelligent use of space and good understanding to pull it off.
without reply. This is becoming a stroll. Luis Suarez with the ball through. Great reaction! Messi with a beautifully timed run. Alexandro pumps it upfield. Piqué. Rakitic. Messi. Tries a through ball. Now it's Luis Suarez. It's well blocked and back out it comes. Barcelona haven't yet dipped into their subs. Iniesta. Oh, well defended, that had to be done. Suarez has a go! Who's going to make this theirs? Rakitic battles to win it back. And it's Luis Suarez. Messi, chance! Oh, the ball's come loose! Neymar! One of a type! He's brilliant! Ruthless and relentless! Utterly rampant! Buffon did well the first time, nothing he could do about the follow-up.
Well, that's not the best attempt by the keeper, and he's just paid the ultimate price, hasn't he?
Barcelona totally rampant here. Luis Suarez. Oh, he really got hold of that.
Well, that was a very decent shot from distance. You know, a little less strength and it might have just dipped under the bar. Good effort, though.
That's one way to make your presence felt.
I would agree. It's tremendous play. He's full of belief and imagination and hard to contain.
Morata, good challenge, he just stood firm. Messi tries to stroke it through. Crunching tackle. Pogba, and it's Dybala. Now it's Morata. Rakitic tries the route one option. Morata gets it back. Dybala. Piqué concedes a free kick for that. Hits it! And another time! He scores! Great reactions in front of goal. He just saw what was on.
Oh, Peter, you can't teach that. You either have it or you don't. His anticipation is on another level to everyone else's. Superb.
Piqué. Daniel Alves tries a long pass towards the front. Messi's cross. Not the worst cross in the world, but still room for improvement. Luis Suarez goes for goal. This could fall anywhere. Oh, wonderful, wonderful Lionel Messi! Buffon reacted well to the initial effort, but couldn't get it right out of the danger area.
Oh look, there's only one player who merits all the praise for that. Not only did he finish it, but his instincts for being where he was are absolutely top-notch.
There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change.
Well, for me, this was the obvious substitution. He'd become just a little jaded, and as a result of that, he was most likely to make a mistake. I think sometimes when the body becomes tired, the brain goes with it, and I think that's happened in this case.
Barcelona tear their opponents apart once again. They are utterly ruthless. And it's Dani Alves. Messi. Messi's cross. Decent clearance now. Can anyone get on the end of it? Tries a header! Not the worst header in the world, but nothing comes of it. Oh, he really wanted that.
Well, he went at it with great confidence, and it's not going to stop him from trying again.
4 added minutes on the board. Now it's Luis Suarez. It's Luis Suarez! Keeper is right behind it. It so nearly came off for him.
It's tremendous play on his part, Peter, and he's proving to be a right handful throughout the game.
Zaza. And it's Neymar. Now it's Luis Suarez. Now it's Messi. Messi with a delicate ball. Marquisio. Now it's Luis Suarez. He's had a look. And he's there to hoof it away. And that's that. So the deal is done. They are through to the knockout stage of the UEFA Champions League. Well, how will we look back on that?
Well, it's a group campaign with significantly more ups than downs for me, and a big step achieved to take the pressure off for what remains. They're in a great position now.